poof, there went down. Sorry. Sorry.
Slow down.
Yes, this bird was meant to be a falconry bird. He doesn't care about this equipment at all. I'm just, I like this bird.
Mm-hmm.
Look at his head.
Oh my gosh. He looks
Bad
so
hand.
funny. He's like a duck head.
I know.
Oh.
She
He's
just turned
funny,
and looks
ain't he?
at
Oh gosh. Mm. He's amusing, ain't he?
Yes, I could watch him all day, man.
Wink. Oh my
I
goodness.
didn't know he pulls that wing and
Flips
flexes
it
it
like
like
That's
that.
crazy.
He was flexing that baby.
He's putting a show on. Hello. Oh, I'm sliding off of here. Look at his feather.
That ain't right.
What did he do?
Mm-hmm.
You better fix that.
There's a whole lot of down on that feather. That's that juvenile
It's
extra.
pretty, isn't it?
Is he
He'll
gonna
see
take it off?
He'll see it. Look, he's like,
Oh, how'd
I
that?
know it just.
How about that, huh?
Oh,
Didn't
boy.
seem-
I hope he fixes that one.
Oh, there it goes. We'll get it now. Oh my goodness. Boo boo. Oh.
Was your mulligan?
Thank you.
That's the word I'm looking for.
Mo. Yeah. Mohawk. Look at that hair. Oh. Yeah. Now he looks like a big boy now. Watch him hold the thing sideways like. Nose sliding. Foot sliding down. Now's when he needs his pail of water to jump in and out of to take a bath.
I'd love for him to do that.
Or maybe tomorrow we can get him to do that.
Mhm. Well, if you don't, you could probably do that tomorrow afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm proud of what he's done today.
God, I am
So
too.
good.
He just jumped to that glove. I'll be.
He's gonna tuck that leg.
Yep. Look at that foot.
Sliding.
He's got oil all over everything.
Sliding. Yeah, I know. It's
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong with that person's hands?
That's not a real hand. It's not real.
Are they teaching the rat to do that?
What?
Go bigger, smell better.
Mhm.
What?
Always. See you again. Never.
Hopefully not that soon.
There's some of these away.
I took that meat and took it apart this morning at
Rats are
first,
very cautious in the wild.
Yeah.
But sometimes,
when I first
common
casted,
sense
Yeah.
lure them
and
into
it
the
was
open.
actually a rat skull.
Oh my.
I mean, I still got it out there, it's a rat skull. With the teeth.
Oh my.
Yeah.
And a boy. You know, if you, I've been filming,
Happened to Miss Marple's grandfather.
and that right leg it just slowly drops, and he'll pick it up and put it back
Yeah.
up there.
We're not
There
far
it
from the
goes.
small town of Morogoro.
Yep, it slid down.
This man's a
Going
rat
down.
catcher, and he's an expert.
I think he's just liking to do
Whenever a
that.
rat is causing a problem, he's there with his cage. He takes the captured rats home
Ooh,
and looks after them.
ants.
Oh man.
Sometimes he has a
I
long way
do
to go
not
to catch
like
a rat on a
ants.
plantation. Most of the people
I
hate them.
don't either.
They're
I'd rather
pests
eat
that destroy
worms.
the crops,
Mm.
and they're amazed that the rat catcher doesn't kill them.
Look at the size of those rats.
I'm about to flip that bike over.
He got them from the woods.
But he has a good use for them. He sells them for 5,000 Tanzanian shillings each.
I know,
About
boo
3
boo.
euros. That's a lot of money around
Okay.
here.
I know.